How many of you have heard about PKD or polycystic kidney disease? Do you know what are the symptoms of PKD? Is polycystic kidney disease curable? And how can you treat polycystic kidney disease? With an answer to all your queries, we are back with a new video. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Kidney Expert, presented by Karma Ayurveda. Here you get all the notifications and updates related to kidneys and Ayurveda. I'm Vishakha, and today we will discuss everything you need to know about PKD or polycystic kidney disease, which is commonly also known as PKD. Have you ever heard about polycystic kidney disease? Not many, I'm sure, but wait, here is a pro tip for all of you. To know more about PKD and other kidney-related topics that can really help you in fighting and preventing this disease, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the updates and notifications. Those who are suffering from PKD are quite aware of how painful and tiring this disease is. In simple words, PKD is a genetic disease. It is passed from generation to their next generation, from parents to children and then their child. There are 50% chances to carry PKD in generations. For your ease, let's assume if a father has 4 children and is suffering from PKD, then 2 of his children would suffer from PKD themselves. As a result, PKD often affects many people in one family. However, about 10% of people diagnosed with PKD have no family history of the disease. PKD causes cysts to grow inside your kidneys. These cysts make the kidney much more extensive than they should be and damage the tissue from which the kidneys are made. Do you know PKD could be very dangerous? Polycystic kidney disease causes CKD, known as chronic kidney disease or disorder, which leads to kidney failure or end-stage renal disease. In PKD, the functioning of kidneys seldom decreases. There are 2 types of polycystic kidney disease: autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease or ADPKD and autosomal recessive polycystic kidney disease or ARPKD. Autosomal dominant PKD causes cyst only in the kidneys. ADPKD is a more common type of PKD. It is often called adult PKD because people with this type of PKD might not notice any symptoms until they are between 30 to 50 years of age. For people with ADPKD, fluid-filled cysts grow in their kidneys, causing them to grow larger and larger. Autosomal recessive PKD causes cysts to grow in both kidneys and the liver. Autosomal recessive PKD is often called infantile PKD because babies show signs of this disease in their first few months of life or even before they are born. Let me share some exciting facts about PKD. In today's world, PKD has affected millions of people worldwide. PKD impacts men and women alike and all races and nationalities equally. Normal kidneys are about a fist size and PKD can get much more massive, sometimes as big as a football. Eventually, these cysts cause the kidneys to stop working. How to know if you have PKD? Children sometimes have symptoms of ADPKD, but adults with this disease do not notice symptoms until they are between 30 to 50 years of age. Some symptoms with PKD are having back and side pain, regular headaches and blood in your urine. If you face any of these symptoms, it is time for you to get alert and see a doctor. PKD is a genetic disease and your doctor will do some genetic tests to check whether you are suffering from PKD or not. Now the most important question, is there a treatment for polycystic kidney disease or not? Many of you would have been told by your doctors that there is absolutely no treatment for PKD or would have suggested you a transplant. We believe the best remedial science for kidney patients is not modern but the most ancient life science, Ayurveda. We have the cure for PKD for you. Though PKD is a genetic disorder, we cannot prevent it. You may be able to keep your kidneys working longer by following these tips for a healthy lifestyle. Keep a healthy blood pressure. Keep your blood sugar level regular. Keep a healthy weight. Following a salt diet and a low-fat diet is very important. Limit alcohol. Do not smoke or use any tobacco product. If you smoke or use tobacco, quit now. Exercise for at least 30 minutes a day on most days of the week. Do not take painkillers unnecessarily. If you follow these tips, we can help you with the cure of your kidneys. ADPKD or polycystic kidney disease can be a painful disease which keeps people from enjoying life to its fullest. It takes full control of a person's emotional, mental and physical health. It is regrettable to mention that PKD is the fourth leading cause of kidney failure. Once a person's kidney is failed, they have only two options left: dialysis or kidney transplant. We suggest you not to worry, as we can provide you better alternatives without dialysis and transplant. We are the only organization solely dedicated to finding the best treatment of kidney disease without dialysis and other side effects. We, Karma Ayurveda, are a reputed kidney care institution where Ayurveda is the key to treat all kidney disorders. We are acclaimed internationally for our 100% naturally produced herbs and authentic Ayurvedic traditional healing. Yoga and a planned nutritious diet are essential elements of our treatment. Our team of expert dietitian is always available to help kidney patients. Our treatment has given exemplary results in the healing of kidneys without dialysis. If you are looking for a treatment for your kidneys or are tired of dialysis and looking for a better alternative, there is no better place than Karma Ayurveda. If you want to contact us, call us anytime on our helpline numbers flashing on your screens. Our visiting address is also available on the screen. We hope you found this video informative. Please do watch more videos from our channel. We have made many videos on kidney-related facts. Please go and check them once. In case of any query, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you like the video, please press the like button. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications from us. Until then, be safe and stay healthy. Please keep watching our videos for more such content. Bye-bye.